Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Now that we have set up our website, all we have to do is start writing articles and promote those articles, bring traffic to our website and promote affiliate products. Now before going forward, we have to add two plugins that I mostly recommend. One is a plugin that will help you speed up your website, that is WP Rocket, and second is a SEO plugin that is freely available. So to install them, all you have to do is just go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, browse. Now if you have purchased Bluehost through our affiliate link, we would have provided you with WP Rocket paid version, so install it. Now this plugin will give your website a speed. It will increase the load up period time of your speed, which will ultimately increase the Google ranking and also will reduce the bouncing of your visitors. So it will ultimately help you speed up your website. That would increase your affiliate commission. So then activate this once it's installed. The second plugin that we are going to add is Yoast SEO. It's an SEO plugin that will help you look at the background itself, how your article would look on Google. So all you have to do is just go to Yoast, search Yoast, and you will get this. Install now. Activate the plugin. So now Yoast is also active. So now in next lecture we are going to see how to write an article, the best things, the structure of a good article for affiliate marketing, and how we should write our articles. Thank you.